Next, we will focus on how to program a simple autonomous to move forwards and backwards. First, we will go to the top and create 3 variables that take in doubles, which includes autoTime, startTime, and currentTime. Next, we will move towards our autonomous init method that is pre-configured for us inside robot.java. Inside of autonomous init, we are going to use timer.getFPGAT timestamp and place that value into our startTime variable in order to get the time of when the robot started. Next, in autonomous periodic, we will do the same thing but place the value into our currentTime variable. Since this method is called constantly, it will constantly check the time and will count out seconds. Next, we will subtract our currentTime by our startTime and place that into the variable autoTime. AutoTime will give us the difference in time between now and when the robot has started. Now, inside of autoPeriodic, we can find the area kDefaultAuto and write our auto code there. We can also write it inside kCustomAuto, just that you will have to choose the custom auto inside a smart dashboard every time that you are on the field. Using autoTime, we will create an if statement so that we can have code run between a certain time. For our scenario, it will start to run the code when it hits 3 seconds, it stops the code at 8 seconds. Inside this time period, we will use the arcade drive that we set before and put the speed to 1 or -1, depending on if you want to move forwards or backwards. This is better than setting the motors because arcade drive will automatically drive straight without having to reverse the motors. And just like that, we have successfully completed our autonomous code to move forwards and backwards. In addition, we will make it so the robot will move in the opposite direction from 10 to 15 seconds. We will use the same logic that we used in our time 3 to 8, just at different times at different speeds. And just like that, we have successfully completed our autonomous drive to move forwards and backwards.